Siminalayi, Comrade Bikule Tajudin Baruwa, President National Union Road Transport Workers.
Okay, sir, today being the Workers' Day, how will you rate the welfare of your member and their income?
Well, our members already, you can see, we are many here. I think you can say almost 300 people are here today for May Day. It's once in a year, and we appreciate today, and today is very good for it's a Workers' Day for us.
Okay, sir, since your emergence as the National President of NURTW, what achievements can you give us?
We have many achievements, which I cannot be counting here. And we have many challenges. One of our challenges, zeroly challenge, is that, there's a little issue between ourselves and our union, which the union, some people like me, I went to the court. Because some people just come from maybe around 6 o'clock, they want to come and attack in office and cast many things away in that place. Which may take me to the court, then I went to the court and win in the industrial court. Later, the other opponent said that they are not going to agree. They take us to appeal court also. We won in appeal court also. But today I'm telling you, we don't know the measurement, many names. We are yet to be in office. But today, by the grace of God, with the support of BOT chairman, I think everything is going down now. And by the grace of God, we are going to, is going to come back to the normal position.
All right, lastly, sir, what is the union doing to stop the extortion by tout and law enforcement at motor parks?
We are doing a lot of things, but let me tell you first, you won't let people collecting dues from the public motor park. Not only union. You see the union wear a uniform. Anybody that saw that without uniform is a tout. So we cannot compare the people that they are not wearing uniform as a member of the union. Any member of the union, you will see them with uniform in any motor park across Nigeria. But anybody without uniform is not a member. That is true of this. That of the true of this. The true story of the issue.
President, today is a Workers' Day. Is there any request from the federal government?
We are requesting for the federal government through awareness president. We shall believe awareness president is up to task to bribe the federal government.
Your name again, sir?
My name is Bikule Tajudin Baruwa, President National Union Transport Workers.
Thank you, sir.